Welcome everyone in today's video of how to log in.
Do you want to get logged in Hong Leong Bank? Then just watch this entire video because this is what this tutorial is for. First step is really simple. You just need to open your browser and go to the search bar of browser and search for the keywords Hong Leong Bank login and hit the enter button. There you will see many search results of the Hong Leong Bank. Click on the first link that redirects you to the Hong Leong Bank login page. Just click on it, and there you can see a Hong Leong Bank website where we have to fill the username for the login. Fill your username over here. Let me put it as temp user and click on login. Here you have to fill this correct or not. You have to complete this task in order to get logged in. Complete it, and then you have to fill the password of the account. Make sure your password is correct over here and simply click on this login button to get logged in.
Thank you for watching this video. If you want to find more helpful videos like this, make sure to like, share, subscribe and comment down in the comment section below.